April at 6 a.m. in the morning. And of course, let's start it. Julian Crypto, this is not a financial advice. So what is going on chain? Basically, the price dumped down to $43,600. Bitcoin reserves seems to be stable. Stablecoins reserves also seems to be stable. There is a little increase of stablecoins reserve on spot exchanges. Right here you can see also pretty bigger volume, transaction volume on tokens transfer total. So this that basically means that there is bigger potential to start the Bitcoin price to stop going even lower. All right, and right here our Maximus indicator, as you can see, we came from RSI at the highest point to the really low right now, and that basically in the past many times it was a great opportunity at this time to buy, to accumulate at this point. Is it right now? Also in the past, it was a great time to buy at these points when the miners were started to selling. And right now they are starting to selling again. Is it a great moment to hold? And will it be a great moment to sell it? Maybe in a few days later. Stablecoins ratio on derivatives, RSI, and RSI is going lower. Also stablecoins reserve on spot exchanges is going lower right now. Right now that might be a good time to buy, because as you can see here, each of the bottom is higher, each of this bottom. So it might be a signal that right now we will be going back and going even higher with this indicator. With this indicator, we will see. We cannot speculate anything. Only this, that we might go higher and we might go lower. The decision is always up to you. So what is going on in the world? So Samson Mow introduces new nation-state adoption for crypto in Bitcoin 2022. Bitcoin, and listen to this, Bitcoin is already legal tender in Roatan, Honduras, and Madeira in Portugal. Now a Mexican senator wants to make it so in her country as well. So listen to this, guys. First of all, what we heard from the Samson Mow. So Samson Mow said that he is talking with many officials from all around the world, and they are asking him to help implement Bitcoin in their countries. So he said that right now he's talking with 3 different partners, and there is already adoption of Bitcoin in Prospera. It's a special economic zone in Honduras. There is also already an adoption of Bitcoin in Madeira, an autonomous region of Portugal. Will focus on Bitcoin adoption. And there is also a signal from Mexican senator that she will propose crypto legislation in her country. This kind of news are big news. It may pump price. Are you bullish on this? So this is that news, that piece of news. Also that piece of news, Honduras. Yeah. And let's go on. Next piece of news. decentralized social media, the next big thing in crypto. Okay, so basically there is a new kind of social platform, and I assume that this is built on other blockchain. Technically, they say this is Web3, a social network built on other. But my question is it truly decentralized? Is it truly hosted on blockchain? Because tell me in the comments, what do you think about it? Maybe you will do some research on it. But there is difference between blockchains like Aave, like Solana, and etc., and a difference of blockchain like Fetch and or ICP, which are hosting everything on blockchain, which is everything is decentralized. I'm asking a question. Do you think, or did you do a research on this? Maybe is this Entra social media platform truly decentralized? Tell me in the comments what do you think, and what is your knowledge about this. Next piece of news: Project Zack backs Meta plans virtual coin after cryptocurrency flop. Next piece of news. Okay, so the Facebook parent group Meta is looking to develop a range of virtual products, including digital tokens and creator coins, to diversify income and revitalize its user base, which is increasingly turning into newer rivals such as TikTok. Next piece of news: UFC to implement fan-voted bonuses to be paid out in Bitcoin. So fans will get vote on their favorite fighters online, and then 3 winners will get bonuses paid out in Bitcoin. UFC is doing this. UFC is implementing Bitcoin basically. And next piece of news about Bitcoin Lightning Network. So basically, what is Bitcoin Lightning Network? It is a second layer solution that uses payment channels in order to settle transactions quickly without having to wait for block confirmation. Okay, so this is very many images how it works, how you can imagine that it works. So basically, Bitcoin Lightning Network is layer 2 to bleed Bitcoin blockchain. It's really fast, and there are many news about it right now. So first, Jack Mallers' strike announces Shopify integration for Bitcoin Lightning Network payments. And the strike and Shopify right now has more than 2 million daily active users. And Bitcoin because of that will be accepted by McDonald's, by Walmart through this Lightning Network. The next piece of news is the Tennessee Titans become the first NFL team to accept Bitcoin. They already have more than 800,000 followers on Instagram. Big piece of news. And next piece of news: stablecoins are coming to the Bitcoin Lightning Network, expanding BTC price potential. Terra Protocol, blockchain startup, announced the use of the Lightning Network to enable global high volume and low fee transactions. And the last but not least, Imprevious AI releases internet browser built on Bitcoin. And Imprevious is a new internet browser that does not track or sell data. It's censorship resistant, and it's built on top of Bitcoin's peer-to-peer Lightning Network. And here's their website. So basically it works like this. There's layer 1 Bitcoin, layer 2 Bitcoin Lightning Network, and layer 3 Imprevious. And they are doing something like API. for creating browsers, as I assume. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about this kind of news? Are you bullish right now with Bitcoin? Are you bearish? What do you do today to make more money? And that's all for today. Thank you guys, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.